Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This one is very quick and kind of a post-install video. So what I've installed is another DRZ off-road hidden light bar. I love the blacked out stealth look of these. I had that one right there from Oxbeam. Super bright, by the way, for only like 60 bucks. But once I installed this one from DRZ off-road in my upper fascia, I knew that I wanted another one down here. So it's all plugged up, ready to go. I will leave all the links down in the description for you guys of how to take your bumper off, because I already did a video on that, and how to install the Rego modular hidden light bar mount. Along with some links down in the description as well, I have discount codes for you guys for all of DRZ's site. They are getting the Anzo headlights soon, and we will be putting those on the 4Runner as well. But in the meantime, we are gonna wait for it to get dark and then show you the performance of this light bar. It's not gonna be incredible, you know, like a rigid Midnight series is, but for a very, very small fraction of the price, I think it's worth it.
All right guys, so now we're driving. I only have my low beams on right now. We're gonna turn on the light bar. And there it is. So it does not go past my low beams actually at all. And it does still have the same kind of cutoff like the one did up above. I'm gonna turn my brights on real quick. And my brights are very, very bright that it almost gets washed out. Okay, so it's off. I'm gonna turn off my regular lights. And now that's only the light bar. So it kind of dies out over here a little bit and doesn't cast too far out. I may have it angled down a little too much, but we're gonna get out of the vehicle and then I'm gonna show you guys with only the light bar on in this kind of dark little area over here. Okay, so now we're out of the vehicle with it on. There's trees over here that I can see in person, but it's not really coming up on camera. That's probably from where my finger is going right here, like this. You can kind of see those trees. That's probably 60 feet away. Going ahead and get into the front of the vehicle. So final thoughts, it's decently bright for a 27-inch light bar. Now, the kicker with this thing, right, is it's a blacked out backing, right? You can get a very bright LED light bar, brighter than this, for like $100. But I'm not sure if they really have a lot on the market that have a blacked out stealth look in this price range. Besides Rough Country, I did look it up. Rough Country is about the same price. But I do have a discount code on this one, guys, if you do want to pick it up. A 30 plus will not fit with the Ragu mounts down here, so that's why I had to wait and get a 27-inch one, just because the way the bar is, just because the width of the mount for the bar itself really stretches out the brackets. So like a 32 or 30-ish DRZ off-road one will not fit at all with the Ragu brackets, but a 27-inch will. So links and everything will be down in the description, guys. I hope this video was educational for you. If you need any other questions answered, just let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. But until then, I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.